to join the choir.
Yes, ma'am.
He's a good singer, Mama, a great singer.
Yeah, when he's singing about being in love with strippers. I mean, do you know any decent songs? They don't have to be corny. How about, Sly and the Family Stone? I want to take you higher. Do you even know who Sly Stone is? You just want to be near my little girl.
Just listen to him, Mama.
He is good, Vi.
Yeah, and how would you know?
We've been sneaking in some extra rehearsals.
Excuse me?
We want to win, Vi. Come on, give him a chance.
I'm sorry.
I'd call you stubborn, but that'd be an insult to mules. Vi, don't deny him just because he's my grandson. Tomorrow, okay. I'm Gigi, and this is Vi Rose.
Vi Rose?
Yeah, but you can call me Vi.
Vi.
It's like, okay, Vi.
You can call me Vi.
You got that all the way from New Jersey. Well, I'm here with Vi Rose and Gigi, better known as Queen Latifah and Dolly Parton. How you ladies doing? I really enjoyed your film.
Well, thank you very much. We enjoyed it, too. We had a great time doing it, and we're just so excited that it's coming out now, so everybody can get a chance to have as much fun as we did, hopefully.
That's right.
Now, you know, we're all like living and working in LA right now, and we sometimes get a little jaded, but I remember there's a scene when they're riding in on the bus and they see LA for the first time. And I know that, you know, neither one of us are from LA in this room. Can you remember your first time like coming to the big city of LA and like knowing your dreams maybe as a film star was gonna be kind of realized?
I didn't really, I don't think I was trying to be a film star. I was just a little rapper at the time trying to get my career going. But yeah, I do remember coming here and wanting to see the Hollywood sign and, you know, kind of getting up there and realizing this sign doesn't look as fresh in real life as it does. And yeah, you know, I remember walking down the Hollywood Walk of Fame and seeing the stars and thinking, one day, you know what, I'm gonna get one of these stars. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but it did, you know, but I definitely remember being excited and thinking anything was possible. Hollywood is a little seedy. Yeah. You have to remember that part. Yeah. So, but that's okay. I'm from Newark and New York, so I was ready for whatever Hollywood had to throw my way anyway. But yeah, definitely.
But Hollywood, for me, I came here with my music. I used to come here and play at the Roxy years ago, back in the old days, at the Troubadour and all those places. But when I first actually came here, I thought it was pretty seedy too, because I couldn't afford to be in the better parts of town, so I thought everything was like that. Yeah. But as the years went by, I've come to love it. It's been good to me. And actually, the first movie I ever did was 9 to 5, and that was a wonderful experience. So that's when I first had a chance to really start to enjoy it. And when I first saw that Hollywood sign, I kept thinking, I'd like to take that H and replace it with a D.
Yeah, that's right.
And someday have my own theme park called Dollywood, and that's where that came from.
Brilliant.
I thought, well.
And here I wish on a little tiny star, and she went for the whole daggone sign.
We both have a star now.
Well, that's cool.
You got to get me one of them theme parks.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. Speaking of 9 to 5, which was one of your biggest songs in the movies, how was this movie and making original music for this? Because it's like church music and it's contemporary. It's like a great mixture of sounds. Like, how was that process?
Well, Dolly wrote this. You know, she wrote original songs. So
I wrote 3 of the songs in the movie, but I loved all the music. I loved how Mervyn Warren did all the wonderful pieces, bringing all this music from all the different musics around the world and songs we know and making them into songs of praise. But I was so proud of the way my little songs, my 3 that I got in, fit in with what the story is and kind of help carry the story along.
Yeah, they sure
but
do.
I just thought the music was great, the fact that it was different, but yet all pulled together and all that songs of praise with the great choirs, those wonderful voices. I just think the music's spectacular in this movie.
I do too.
All right, well, I thank you guys for your time.